Some of the settings can be changed on the main screen, and some can be changed on the settings page. Minimum and maximum dice values. You can change the minimum and maximum for the dice roll for each machine by clicking the red arrows on either side of the min and max boxes on each machine. These are not active when the game is in the middle of a 20-day run. Number of days per roll. You can change the number of days that pass for each click of the Roll All and Go button by clicking on the red arrows on either side of the Number of Days box. You cannot choose more than 20. You can change this any time before or during the game until the 20 days have been reached. Click on the gear icon at the bottom of the screen to change the remaining settings. These settings are not active while the game is in the middle of a 20-day run. The parameters you can change are number of machines. Allows you to set the number of machines used in the game to 2, 3, or 4. The default number of machines is 3. Productivity cap. Allows you to specify a limit on the amount that can be produced. Once this limit is reached, production shuts down. The default productivity cap is 0. Dice rolls. Allows you to specify 1 dice roll or 2 dice rolls. If you choose 2, you get an option to decide further whether the higher one counts or the lower one. The default number of dice rolls is 1. If you choose 2 dice rolls, the default is to use the higher roll. Buffer. This is the amount that is present in each machine's inbox before the first day. You can choose from 0 to 99. The default buffer is 0. Defect rate. This is a defect percentage applied at the end of the 20-day run. The amount produced is lowered by this percentage. You can choose from 0 to 30%. The default defect rate is 0. Bonus penalty. You can set a number to either add or subtract the number from what is produced, which will be applied at the end of the 20 days. You can choose from -20 penalty to +20 bonus. The default bonus penalty is 0. Use default settings. This button will set all parameters back to their default values. Production table. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see a button labeled Production Table. Click on it to see a table with the results of each day's output. At the end, it will pop up automatically. You can see the settings you have chosen in the Game Rules box on the right side of the table. In the upper right-hand corner are 3 icons. The Home button is used to go back to the game. The Arrow button is used to save the table to a PDF file. The Print button is used to print the table.